Can a beginner make $5,000 to $36,000 a month on YouTube without having an expensive camera, without showing your own face, not knowing how to edit a video, and not even shooting anything? You're probably going to say, this is impossible.
It's necessary.
Then I recommend that you watch my video until the very end, and I'll tell you about a simple strategy that anyone can use. And if you follow the 7 easy step program with me, you'll master the system and you'll earn $5,000 to $36,000 a month. What's up, everyone? My name is Mike Ross, and I'll share the secrets with you on how to make this strategy work. I have 9 YouTube channels of my own, and at some point, I realized that I was making more money from them than from my regular job. And to be honest, I got really frustrated. Many people work hard at their jobs and try their best, but they don't make any money. On YouTube, however, you can do simple things and earn a significant income. That's why I decided to help people so that they could earn as much as I do. I started a channel where I share only useful and relevant information. If you want to learn more about secrets of making money on YouTube and effective strategies, then subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Let's earn some money together. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's dive into this strategy. We'll see what level of income you can achieve by implementing it. Step by step, I will explain what to do, how to do it, and which internet resources to use. I'll share with you all of the most important secrets. So what's the strategy? You'll need to upload videos and text up other people's confessions to YouTube with additional voiceover and background music. Now you might ask, how can I profit from this? Well, let me show you some results you can achieve using this strategy. Go to socialblade.com. Let's start with UE Stories channel, which earns over $5,000 per month, which is a pretty good monthly income, don't you agree? Then there's Updo channel, earning about $9,000 a month. But one of the most successful channels in this niche earns up to $36,000 every month. Yes, you heard that right, 36 grand every month. Now, we have the result of Short Reddit. The annual income of this channel is about $430,000, which is the same amount earned by a software developer who has to study several years in university. If you find other interesting and unusual channels in this niche, be sure to share them with me and the viewers in the comments down below. In general, I suggest we help and support each other by sharing interesting and useful information. This will enable all of us to grow faster and more efficiently, and of course, make more money. Now, let's move on to implementing our strategy with 7 simple steps. Don't skip a single step, and I recommend watching the video carefully and following along with me. This is the only way to ensure you do everything correctly and make the strategy work effectively.
This is the way.
Step 1, find recognitions. Go to reddit.com. This is a platform combines function of a social network and a forum with over 300 million active users. The great thing is you don't even have to register for their confessions, which makes the process easier. In the search box, type the name of the topic confession. And as you can see, Confession community has over 5.8 million members and Confession has 1.1 million members. This means that every day, someone in the community is posting confessions that we can use. There are numerous confessions on different topics, different people, and we will captivate, evoke their emotion of the viewers of this channel. Now, when someone speaks honestly about their feelings and the events that they've experienced, it always provokes emotions. I reveal even more secrets on how to earn up to $100,000 a month on a YouTube as a complete beginner in my advanced intensives. I'll provide detailed information about it shortly. Step 2, take screenshots. Now, choose 10 to 20 confessions and create screenshots of each of them. Make sure that the confessions are not too long, as the audience may get tired to listening to them. Now, click on a confession to open it completely. If you have a Mac, simply press Command-Shift-4 to capture the desired part of your screen. If you have a different operating system, you can use Google to find a free screenshot tool. Most likely, you will need to install a program on your computer to capture the screenshot. Step 3, record the voiceover. If you don't have a microphone or don't want to use a voiceover yourself, you can use text-to-speech service.
We have technology.
The first option is TTS Reader Service. Copy the text of your confession and paste it in the window. Press play.
When I was younger, I discovered that a particular...
The voice sounds quite natural, doesn't it? However, it's important to note that you need to pay $10 to use this recording because you need to acquire the rights. Instead, I suggest using a second option, which is a free alternative, text-to-speech.org. Again, paste the text in the window and click play.
I lost my job in March and only my husband is working.
The voice here may sound a little more robotic, but it's a good starting point for your channel. Now save the audio file to your computer. If before this day you never considered Reddit as a source of income, definitely like this video. Valuable information like this is usually not widely shared. Now, step 4 is background music. In the Google search box, type YouTube audio library, go to the site and choose a genre and mood. Listen to different tracks, and you can use any of these tracks for free as long as you follow the rules. Click on a track, and it will say you're free to use this song and monetize your video. Now, another option is to use Epidemic Sound service, which provides more choices and interesting tracks. I'll add the link to this service in the video description. By the way, I'm going to post a video soon on how to create a channel that makes money from music. This is a highly profitable strategy that can earn you up to $12,000 a month. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the release of that video. Step 5, choose a video editor. To combine the screenshot, audio recording, and music, you'll need a video editor. Choose one based on your operating system. For computers, you can use the free program DaVinci Resolve, available for all systems on the official website, blackmagicdesign.com. Mac users can use the free iMovie, and for mobile editing, you can choose between CapCut or VN, which you can easily download from the App Store or Google Play. Now, step 6 is to assemble everything into one video. Create a project in your chosen video editor, add the screenshot of the text next to the timeline, and include a white background. Later, you can find more interesting backgrounds, but it's important to understand the basics first. Insert the audio recording and then the chosen background music. Adjust the length of the screenshots and audio recordings, ensuring that they match the duration of the video. Aim to create a 3 to 5 minute video by incorporating all of the screenshots and audio recordings. Remember to make the music quieter than the voice recording for a more comfortable listening experience. And once you're satisfied with the project, export it to your computer. If you found these tips useful for earning significant income, please like this video. It's great to share valuable information that can help you earn substantial money. Now, step 7, upload the video to your YouTube channel. Now it's time to upload the video to YouTube. Write an emotionally engaging title that aligns with the chosen confessions. You can take inspirations from the titles used by channels I mentioned earlier. Titles that hint at uncovering secrets, unexpected events, or unusual actions tend to attract more viewers. In the video description, you can include links to other confessions from your channel to increase the number of views. Scroll down and add relevant tags such as confession or confessions and other related to the content of your video. Try to include as many relevant keywords as possible within the maximum limit of 500 characters. This will help more viewers find your video. Spend 1 to 2 minutes adding tags, but keep in mind that the title and cover art hold more significance on YouTube. Now, publish the video. Congratulations! You've taken the first step toward earning real money by creating your first video. By consistently applying this strategy and uploading more videos, you can potentially make from $5,000 to $10,000 per month, just like other successful channels. In conclusion, I firmly believe that YouTube is the best platform for making money online. With my years of experience on YouTube, I can confidently say that. However, to achieve your goals, you need to have a solid knowledge base and actionable strategy. Only then can you guarantee results. That's why I've created the Hack YouTube and Earn Your First 100K in 2023 online intensive, a 2-day program for all of my subscribers. If you're interested in learning detailed strategies to earn from $10,000 to $100,000 per month on YouTube, this intensive is perfect for you. I've included a link to it in the description down below. By attending this intensive, you'll gain insights into 5 actual and effective ways to make money on YouTube in 2023. You'll be able to choose the most interesting and suitable method for yourself, and I'll help you create a step-by-step plan to achieve a stable income for the next 2 to 3 months, ensuring a significant breakthrough in your earnings. You know what to do. Follow the link in the description right now, leave your contact details, and start your journey as a YouTube money hacker with me. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you for watching the video until the end. It shows your genuine interest in learning simple ways to make money on YouTube. In the next episode, I'll reveal the secret strategy on how to make from $30,000 up to $100,000 per month on Shorts. And the best part is, you don't even need to shoot any videos or use complicated editing techniques. It's a straightforward copy-paste method. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on this easy and effective way to earn money. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a like. Your support will help more people discover and benefit from this valuable information. See you all again soon. Good luck to everyone on your YouTube hacking journey.